So today I'm doing a small grocery haul for a few things I need to stock up on. Then I'm making my favorite breakfast that I love to make at home, and then I'm continuing my kitchen refresh. I thought with this refresh that I started a simple project, but it turned out to be a little bigger than that, so stay tuned to see what I mean.
Yeah. What's the worst case scenario? Plan out in your head how it's all gonna go. So you think you got it covered, but there's always something new that you discover you've not thought about.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Dallas and I'm working on a couple of projects around my house right now and would love it if you would subscribe. And if you're returning, I'm glad to have you here. Okay, let's get into the video. I just came from a walk. When I drop the kids to school in the mornings, I love to take time to walk over the Paradise Island Bridge. It's a beautiful view and a good walk. I usually walk over and back 3 times, which is about 3 miles. Then I had to grab a few things from the food store to stock up. The prices on some of these groceries are crazy. We had friends visit us from Baltimore and they couldn't believe the prices.
You're so scared you'll get it wrong. Have a good time, but worry after. Petrified, will they think I'm awkward? When your brain's wired for disaster, even good things leave a bitter taste. Try to calm down, thoughts spinning faster. Terrified, hide it with laughter. When your brain's wired for disaster, even good things leave a bitter taste. Even good things leave a bitter taste, yeah. Even good things leave a bitter taste, yeah. Even good things leave a bitter taste.
So the kitchen refresh project that I want to tackle today is changing the knobs on the kitchen drawers from silver to black.
Even good things leave a bitter taste. Something unexpected happens, you can't let it go. Caught up in your own distractions, you already know that.
And I got these matte black ones off of Amazon, which I will link down below. They are so beautiful, I'm very happy with them. I feel like this is a little detail change that will make a big difference in refreshing the space.
This for a while, while you try not to lose your mind, to believe the lies that you tell.
So I make my breakfast sandwich really simple. I'm still trying to stick to macros, so I need to figure out how to make this meal with less fat, because that adds up quickly and I'm trying not to eat that many grams in fat. And I have a few ideas on how to do that, I just need to implement it.
Try to calm down, thoughts spinning faster. Terrified, hide it with laughter. When your brain's wired for disaster, even good things leave a bitter taste. Even good things leave a bitter taste, yeah. Even good things leave a bitter taste.
So I put all of my breakfast information into my MyFitnessPal and I included my protein shake in this because I eat it so often. I just clicked add and it adds it, but these are my macros for what it is. My fat on this is a little bit high, so I want to work on getting that down because it adds up quickly throughout the day. So it's been a couple of days later, but I wanted to show you these knobs and the difference it would make to the kitchen. So I still wanted to include it in this video.
Even good things leave a bitter taste, yeah. Even good things leave a bitter taste.
I started with a screwdriver on the first screw, and it took me forever to get it off, but I got it. Then I learned my lesson and got my gun. As I was doing this, I was thinking this would be a little quick, cute project. Then I went to put on the new knob, and it showed the ring around where the old one was. That's why I had the Lysol, because I was trying to clean it off with the Lysol. And I decided to paint the whole island after that. I think it was by the second drawer where I realized I'm going to have to paint this whole thing. This paint I actually bought for our bar area because I need to repaint that. And I bought this primer spray for the screen door on the side to paint that over, and ended up using some of it for this, which was not planned, but I got through it and it turned out beautifully.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly, look in my eyes.
I started painting with the brush because at this point I thought I was only going to do this drawer and I didn't want to make too much of a mess. And then I went over it with the roller to make it look like it wasn't hand painted on, to make the coat look nicer.
it fall on me. Say you a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind when we rewind. Feels so nice. We time you I know how to make me feel right. I can't help how got this sweet talk. I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk. You need to say let's tonight. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way. On my way. Why you blushing?
At this point, I was still trying the screwdriver, and I tried like 10 different ones in this one screw, and eventually I got the gun. I don't know why it took me so long, but that's what happened.
Show me something, give me more than one thing. I need more than less than I do. Say you a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind when we rewind. It feels so nice. I can't help how got this sweet talk.
I also don't know if you're supposed to use primer spray, but I wasn't about to take out the primer coat that I had to try to paint it on and do all that. So I took the easy way and got it done, and it's still about 2-3 weeks later, and it still looks great. So I think it worked out good, even though I don't paint that often, like hardly ever. I don't know if I've ever painted any drawers before, but hey, I did it and it worked out.
Sweet talk. You need to say let's tonight. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way. On my way. We've been dancing all night long.
I also didn't have any newspaper to put down to keep the paint from touching the floor, so I used a scrap paper that my kids had in one of their notebooks, and it worked.
Right here with you way too long. Don't want nothing here right now. But I'm done waiting. Done wasting my time. Got this sweet talk. I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk. You need to say let's tonight. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way. On my way. Sweet talk. Sweet Yeah. What's the worst case scenario? Plan out in your head how it's all gonna go. So you think you got it covered, but there's always something new that you discover you've not thought about. You can never figure out every possible outcome, and you're so scared you'll get it wrong. Have a good time, but I worry after. Petrified, will they think I'm awkward? When your brain's wired for disaster, even good things leave a bitter taste. Try to calm down, thoughts spinning faster. Terrified, hide it with laughter. When your brain's wired for disaster, even good things leave a bitter taste. Even good things leave a bitter taste, yeah. Even good things leave a bitter taste, yeah. Even good things leave a bitter taste, yeah. Even good things leave a bitter taste. Something unexpected happens, you can't let it go. Caught up in your own distractions, you already know that you're gonna think about this for a while.
Guys, comment below how you think I did and how you think this turned out. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you want to see more videos like this, please don't forget to subscribe. And if you have subscribed already, thank you. I can't wait to see you in the next one. Look at the difference that made. Now I'm going to relax.
Try to calm down, thoughts spinning faster. Terrified, hide it with laughter. When your brain's wired for disaster,